Okay, ladies and gentlemen, this week you are going to learn how to assemble different shapes into an overall shape. So we're going to use our puzzle pieces to combine into one 3D puzzle. So now we're going to focus on assembly. You're going to click on assembly. Then you're going to click here to place. Then you are going to pick your drawings. It doesn't matter what order you put them in. So I'm over page, drawing from page number 6 in. Then I'm going to go over here again. And I'm going to do page number 4. Escape. And page number 5. There go our 3 puzzle pieces. Hit escape, zoom out. So now we're going to place these together. We are going to be working in this area right now. We're going to be working in our relationships area. So what we're going to do, we're going to click join, a joint. We're going to do joint. No. We're going to do constraint. And as you see, we have our solutions. We have a mate solution, and we're going to flush. And that's the main thing we're going to do is mate and flush. First thing we're going to flush is we're going to flush this surface. And we have to rotate our screen to this surface. And click. Go back. Did I lose my arrow here? I lost my arrow. All right. And we're going to click apply. So now, see, we got a little gap. So we're going to have to get rid of that gap. So we're going to do flush again. We're going to do mate again. And you have to be a little tricky about it. Zoom in. We want this surface to mate with this surface and apply. See that? So now what we're going to do, we are going to, now if we had the flush, we would use the flush command, but in this case, we don't have to use the flush command. What do you mean by flush? You're putting 2 surfaces on, matching the edges together and making sure you have a nice smooth edge like you can see here. So now we're going to mate this. Make sure we got our mate command selected. Gonna mate this surface to this surface. See, we got that there. We got a little gap we need to get rid of. So we have to zoom in. Yeah, it's gonna be a little tricky. All right, let's go back to our first. All right, let's try a flush command, see what happens. Nope, we don't want to do that, cancel that. So we want to do, we're gonna go back to, we'll do flush. Go back to our constraint, and we're gonna do flush. We're gonna flush this surface with that surface. And then hit apply. Now we are going to mate this with that. Hit apply. See? Got one more change. Now we're going to do flush command again. Or we could have kept it like this and flushed it. So we're going to flush this to this and hit apply. And there go your 3D cube. Voila, real simple and easy. I hope you have found this video helpful. This has been Mr. Brochard.